Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna have a detailed look on my eyebrows. Now, it's one of the things I take a lot of pride in. I think it really frames your face, and I wanna show you guys the steps I take into perfecting my eyebrows. Right now, I'm not wearing any eyebrows. I have nothing in it. I have a kind of like a regular face on right now. I have foundation, powder, contour, and all that, but I have no eyebrows. So I wanna show you guys how much of a difference it makes. And I'm going to be very detailed about how I fill in my eyebrows, the products I use, and why I use them. So if you guys want, keep on watching and learn how to get these perfect eyebrows. Yes, I said perfect, because they're perfect. Okay, so now we're going to zoom on in, and I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my eyebrows so you guys can see all the details of what I'm doing. And don't mind these damn pores because the lighting is good when it's far, so bring it on in. Hey guys, so this is going to be a very detailed eyebrow tutorial, so just stick around. I'm going to first start off with brushing all the eyebrow hairs up, just so I can see the sparse areas, as you guys can see. Just going to brush through them. These are my two eyebrows. Now, what I'm going to start off with is by taking my pencil. I like using a pencil because it gives it the most natural look. And I'm going to try and draw a straight line on the bottom of my eyebrow and really try to make little hair strokes. So very short little strokes of the pencil and really help define the bottom of the eyebrow. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. Fill it in. And make sure you keep brushing your eyebrows after you put in a couple of strokes of the eyebrow pencil, just to help it blend it more easily and more natural. You want the darkest part of your eyebrow to be at the end. So I'm going to start over here and really draw in my arch and really get that in there. I like to use my hand also to try to wipe away some product to keep it very natural looking. So I'm going to keep making little hair strokes and follow the shape of my eyebrow. I'm just going to make them thicker though. So I'm going to keep making strokes and then also keep brushing them out. Love this pencil because it is a very ashy color. It's not too warm and it's not too gray, so it really mimics the color of hair. Now in the beginning of the eyebrow, I'm going to make a line. I'm going to try to make it semi-straight, just to give it a nice look. I personally like, with my look, a squared off eyebrow. I know not a lot of people like that, but my eyebrows are naturally a little square, so I'm just going to go with that shape. Now I'm going to fill in the front of the eyebrow, just a little bit over here. Here I'm just adding little feather strokes just to mimic hair, and really you can see the shape coming through right here. So I'm really getting that shape and making sure I master it so I can match it to the other side. So I see it's coming out a little bit more, so I'm just going to add a little more product over here and really get in there. As you can see, it's a gradient effect, like an ombre, where it's a little faded in the front and then it's more dark in the back. I think that gives the most natural look. Your taste is really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you. There you go. So you can see a little bit of the difference from this eyebrow to that eyebrow. That's a huge difference. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other eyebrow. Now this eyebrow is shaped a little bit differently. For some reason it doesn't grow as the way the other eyebrow does. So I'm going to have to finagle it a little bit but it's going to be the same kind of technique. I'm going to make a straight line on the bottom and really follow the natural hairs.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough.
Making the same type of shape that I did on the other eyebrow and try to match it up so it's a little even.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now.
As I told you guys in the previous video, I like to do my eyebrows before I do my foundation, but I already had foundation on, so.
I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. Hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where are you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in?
So now this eyebrow is a lot thinner, so there's a lot more that I have to fill in over here. So I'm gonna make sure there's no empty spots. And with this eyebrow pencil, it's kind of like, think of it as a guideline because it's a lot lighter. It still distributes product, but it's not gonna just sit there, you know? You just really wanna use this pencil to kind of shape out the eyebrow. Don't worry about it being too filled in or anything because after this, we'll be going in with another product.
I've lost you. I keep on looking for you. Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste.
Now, I'm going to take a NYX eyebrow gel. It's a waterproof, it has a mousse consistency. And I really like this product. I've gone swimming with it. I've done so much and my eyebrows stay on. They're waterproof, they don't budge. I really, really like this product. And the color is also perfect too. Once again, not too warm and not too ashy and gray.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself.
And really, as you can see, it literally looks like I'm putting on strokes of hair. That's how realistic this product looks. Just gonna really work that product into the eyebrows and get it everywhere I can, just so the whole eyebrow is waterproof.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless.
I'm also using an e.l.f. brush. This whole set, like I've said in the past, it's phenomenal. It's one of my favorites. But I really like this eyebrow pencil because, this eyebrow brush, I'm sorry, because the point doesn't really, it's not too thick, so it really mimics, it helps mimic hair. And I really, really like it. And the spoolie is really nice. It is the e.l.f. 203 brush.
I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post.
Take that product and put it onto the other eyebrow. And if you really look, it looks like I'm adding on actual hair fibers. That's how much I love this product. And I'm gonna bring whatever I have left on the brush into the front of the eyebrow. Now for some people, this is natural enough and you can definitely stop here. It'll give you that natural bushy eyebrow, but I like more of a defined Instagram brow, as they call it. So I'm just gonna go in a little more heavy. Because my hair is so dark, I like a dark eyebrow. Just gonna make sure to fill the arch area and the ends. I leave a little bit of hair at the end, like under my eyebrow, just because I feel like it gives it a natural look, so it's not too cleaned up and not too defined also. Gonna brush out the product, brushes out beautifully. And see right here, this is a beautiful natural look if you want to just keep it here. But I'm always extra and I like to take it up a notch. So I'm taking more of that product. And right in that area, it's a little lighter. So I'm going to take some more product and put it right in there. It's going to look a little dark, but I'm just going to brush it out.
It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
So really blending the product with the spoolie. I'm gonna fill in any place that still shows a little skin. Brush it up. I'm gonna move on to the other side now.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God.
Filling in these sparse areas and just really add it in to the parts that are showing skin or lighter color. Just gonna really work that product in. Brush it through that area. Go with the spoolie, help spread it out, and look at that. I love that look. Iconic. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer that's like one shade lighter and really go in under these brows. And if you can see, it helps straighten the brow really nicely. It cleans it up, it makes it look polished. This is one of my favorite tricks. If you mess up, this is your time to really help clean up anything that you made a mistake in. It's one shade lighter, so it won't look too harsh or too crazy. It also helps prime the eye.
And you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Yeah, I lost you.
I'm gonna go on both sides and really follow that line I made. And blend the concealer. Do you see how much more like clean and sharp the eyebrow is now? This is one of my favorite tricks, like I said. If there's one thing you should take from this video, it's this. Even if you don't do anything to your eyebrows, this is a great little trick to do, just to give it more of that defined look, clean look. I'm also gonna go very, very lightly on top of the brows, just to clean it up. I don't want it to be too noticeable, and really help clean the top up also. I'm gonna use my fingers because it's a little warmth really melts the product in. And now I take a waterproof mascara, actually, because I have such dark eyebrows. And it also helps keep the eyebrows in place a lot easier than eyebrow gel because it is waterproof. So as you can see, it really raises the hair to help make this look complete. It brushes up all the eyebrow hairs just to make it really pop and look three-dimensional. You can instantly see the difference this makes. It helps shape all the hairs just so it all goes into one direction. So this is the final look. These are the eyebrows. Now I hope you guys loved this tutorial. I really hope it went in depth and really helped you guys to get a nice polished look. Now I hope you guys can also see with the final look how much eyebrows makes a huge difference. I feel like now my face is more defined, and you know, before the eyebrows were getting very lost in the whole look. Now they look three-dimensional, they have a nice like amount of hair to them, and they look like real hair strokes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. And please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what you guys want to see from my next video. Love you guys.
Okay.
So I hope you... Alright. Alright. Alright, you ready? All right. So, oh my god. If you were looking to, if you guys were looking, so these are the this is. Oh.
We said you wanted to do bloopers.
Yeah. Fuck. Ew. I can't do it.